Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, June 6th, and this is NFP Day, and we're going to start our prep for today. But first, we're going to do a review and go over some new things that we're offering. So, for our professional subscribers, we are offering our daily plan. Will be posted with our trades that we will actually take with targets listed as well. So let's review how yesterday would have worked out and what you guys can do to improve your own trading. We gave a couple examples here and we posted our full write-up. So if we look at our write-up and what we were looking for, long at 59.21 didn't show up, so we don't take it. 60.36 short didn't show up, we don't take it. The 6,000 long didn't show up, so we don't take it. So the ones that did show up, 59.38 long, 59.72 long, and a contextual short at 59.73. So with those, and then we have our targets listed here, let's review how it played out. So first we have a contextual short at 73. Showed up right here. We posted this for our students in our elite room and right down from our 78, 73 level for 20 points. So an easy 20 to 25 points here, depending on where you would get in. Not a bad way to start the day. Bounces back, gives you another attempt. Now, in our room for our students, we give a little more detail. So we did have a long planned at 58 for them, but let's take that one off the table since we didn't give that to our subscribers. And we'll now look at our long at 72. So we get our long signal at 72, and it goes right up to our 6,000 target. So there's your next trade for the easy 30 points. And now once we come back under our 6,000 level, we can then look for our next long either at 72 or short at 73 if we have good context, and then our long at 38. So we come back under, never got an entry. It comes back, no entry yet, no long or anything, comes down. And when we retest here at our 73 to 77, we get our signal bars to get in right down to our 44 target and almost to our 21. Reason to get out now when we get our long at 38, we get our move back up to 58. So we gave you this, that we were looking for this, and we would have our watch areas. You never would have been stopped on this trade until the end of the day would have closed you out. So there were hundreds of points to be made. So even on micros yesterday, you could have been making on 1 to 2 micros, $500 to $1,000. If you want to trade minis, you're talking $5,000 to $10,000. We are trying to give that to you each day. Let's take a look at the NQ here. So the NQ, we were looking for a short at 953 or 904 and a long at 520. So again, if we take a look at what happened yesterday on the NQ, we can see from our chart here, here's our 904. There's your short for 400 points. And then you get back in at 520 for the move back up. Again, on 1 micro, that's $800. On a couple micros, you're talking a few thousand. If you're trading minis, you're talking up to $10,000. You want to know where the easy money is in the market. It's not by taking such a narrow view and trying to get 3 to 5 points. It's by seeing the bigger areas and trading with the larger traders and knowing where, as we mentioned in our prep yesterday, where there would be the large offers. So we had the $120 million offer sitting at NQ. We posted that for you multiple hours before it showed up here. And we even gave it to you in our write-up yesterday, the amounts that were sitting on those offers, $600 million offer and $120 million on offer. Have a great day and make sure that you control your risk. We want you to be around still come Monday and not losing your accounts before then. Have a great weekend, everybody.